Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera untuk kita semua. Perkenalkan, saya Desi Nurdianti, dosen program studi Diploma 3 Bahasa Inggris, Fakultas Ekonomi Bisnis dan Humaniora, Institut Teknologi Bisnis dan Bahasa, Dian Cipta Cendekia. Video ini saya buat sebagai bagian dari proses sertifikasi dosen tahun 2025, khususnya untuk menyampaikan pernyataan diri dosen dalam Unjuk Kerja Tridharma Perguruan Tinggi atau PDD UKT-PT pada bidang pengajaran. Pada kesempatan ini, saya akan menjelaskan salah satu mata kuliah yang saya ampu, yaitu Speaking One Basic, yang merupakan mata kuliah wajib dengan bobot 4 SKS untuk mahasiswa semester 1 di program studi Bahasa Inggris. Mata kuliah ini dirancang untuk mendukung pencapaian 4 aspek capaian pembelajaran lulusan atau CPL, yaitu aspek 1. Sikap. Mahasiswa diharapkan memiliki sikap religius, menjunjung tinggi nilai-nilai akademik dan etika, serta mampu menunjukkan tanggung jawab secara mandiri terhadap tugas dan kewajibannya di bidang keahlian. Aspek kedua, keterampilan umum. Mahasiswa dilatih untuk menyelesaikan tugas yang kompleks, mampu bekerja sama dalam tim, berkomunikasi secara efektif, serta menunjukkan kinerja yang terukur dan berkualitas. Aspek ketiga, pengetahuan. Mahasiswa diharapkan menguasai konsep dasar bahasa sebagai alat komunikasi yang efektif baik dalam konteks akademik maupun kehidupan sehari-hari. Aspek keempat, keterampilan khusus. Mahasiswa dibimbing untuk mampu menggunakan bahasa Inggris secara lisan dan tertulis dalam konteks interpersonal, sosial, maupun profesional dengan tingkat kemahiran minimal setara intermediate. Capaian pembelajaran mata kuliah ini mencakup penguasaan konsep dan penggunaan berbagai ungkapan dasar dalam kehidupan sehari-hari, menyatakan ekspresi dengan tepat dan sesuai kontekstualnya, serta menunjukkan kinerja yang mandiri dan terukur. Adapun sistem dan bentuk pembelajaran perkuliahan dilaksanakan secara interaktif dua arah melalui kombinasi sinkronus dan asinkronus learning. Secara sinkronus dilakukan secara tatap muka di ruang kelas maupun melalui platform daring seperti Zoom Meeting untuk mendukung interaksi langsung antara dosen dan mahasiswa. Secara asinkronus juga dilakukan melalui WhatsApp Group dan LMS ITBA Dian Cipta Cendekia untuk memfasilitasi tugas mandiri maupun kelompok. Metode pembelajaran yang digunakan merupakan gabungan beberapa pendekatan disesuaikan dengan materi setiap pertemuan, antara lain ceramah interaktif, small group discussion, role play, contextual and cooperative learning, dan student center serta project-based learning. Media pembelajaran yang digunakan antara lain Zoom Meeting, Canva, Padlet, Mentimeter, Google Worksheet, YouTube, serta LMS ITBA DCC. Adapun sumber referensi dari karya Jack C. Richard yaitu Interchange One, Person-to-Person One, Communicative, Speaking and Listening Skills, dan juga sumber pendukung lainnya. Adapun sistem penilaian mahasiswa terdiri dari 4 komponen utama, yaitu tugas 25%, kuis 15% dilaksanakan pada pertemuan ke-10, ujian tengah semester atau UTS 25% dilaksanakan pada pertemuan ke-18, dan terakhir ujian akhir semester atau UAS 35% pada pertemuan ke-32. Pada kesempatan ini saya akan menyampaikan materi pada pertemuan ke-11 dengan topik Expressions of Likes and Dislikes. Tujuan pembelajaran dari topik ini diharapkan mahasiswa mampu menggunakan berbagai ungkapan yang menyatakan rasa suka dan tidak suka dalam konteks yang tepat, baik secara lisan maupun tertulis. Untuk memastikan proses pembelajaran berlangsung efektif, saya menerapkan pendekatan DIA yang terdiri dari 3 tahapan utama, yaitu delivery, menyampaikan materi, 2. Interactions, membangun interaksi aktif antara dosen dan mahasiswa, 3. Assessment, melakukan evaluasi terhadap pemahaman dan keterlibatan mahasiswa. Pendekatan ini saya terapkan baik dalam pembelajaran di ruang kelas ataupun hybrid. Adapun tahapan pembelajaran pada mata kuliah Speaking One Basic yang saya terapkan terdiri dari 1. Opening session, salam pembuka dan doa bersama. Ice breaking, brainstorming dilanjutkan dengan presensi untuk membangun suasana kelas yang aktif dan menyenangkan. Saya menggunakan model pembelajaran flipped classroom yang terdiri dari 3 tahap, yaitu pertama, sebelum kelas atau pre-class, sebelum pertemuan dimulai, saya telah membagikan pramateri seperti LMS ITBA DCC dalam bentuk video singkat. Kedua, saat kelas, in-class activity, pada saat sesi ini saya menyampaikan penjelasan materi secara singkat untuk memperkuat konsep materi. Setelah itu, mahasiswa dibagi ke dalam breakout room untuk melakukan diskusi kelompok berdasarkan instruksi yang telah saya berikan. Hasil diskusi dicatat dalam Google Worksheet dan setiap kelompok bertukar informasi lalu dilanjutkan dengan presentasi kelompok. Ketiga, sesudah kelas atau post-kelas, mahasiswa mengikuti kuis interaktif menggunakan mentimeter.com sebagai bentuk refleksi dan penguatan materi. Dan terakhir, yaitu closing session, berupa kesimpulan pembelajaran, umpan balik positif, serta ucapan terima kasih dan penghargaan berupa pujian dan motivasi belajar. Selanjutnya, mengingatkan mahasiswa untuk menonton video pramateri untuk pertemuan berikutnya. Sebagai penutup semangat, terdapat yel-yel yang dilakukan secara rutin setiap akhir pertemuan, serta tidak lupa mengingatkan mahasiswa dapat mengajukan pertanyaan melalui forum diskusi di grup WhatsApp. Terakhir ditutup dengan salam penutup. Baik, untuk memberikan gambaran yang lebih jelas, berikut adalah pembelajaran daring yang saya lakukan saat mengajar materi Expressions of Likes and Dislikes pada pertemuan ke-11. Selamat menyaksikan. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, class.
Morning, Miss.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm
Fine,
good.
Miss. I'm
Okay,
good.
hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Okay. Okay,
Hello.
welcome back to our speaking one basic class. I'm so happy to see you all today. Hope you are doing great and ready to speak up confidently. Okay, before we start, let's take a moment to pray together. I would like to invite our class leader, Chita, to lead the prayer. Chita, you are pleased?
Yeah, Miss. Before we start, let us take a moment to pray in silence. Please pray according to your own belief. Let us pray. Prayer is over. Thank you.
Okay, before we start, we have an ice breaking, ya, ice breaking one word fast respond. Biar nggak tegang, okay, guys, I will say one word and you reply quickly with the first word that comes to your mind. Okay, ready? Okay,
Ready, Miss.
yeah, not taking too long. Let's train your speaking reflex, ya. Okay, the first word, music.
Dangdut.
Classic, Miss.
Pop Miss.
Classic, classic.
Okay, the second word is holiday.
Bandung Ju.
Camping.
Bandung Ju.
Bandung, zoo,
Zoo.
camping, Bali.
Oh.
Okay, good. And the third word is food.
Padang.
Ice cream, ice cream.
Padang food.
Fried rice, fried chicken,
Padang
Miss.
food. Padang
Ice
food.
cream.
Noodles. Okay, good. Yeah. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay,
Hi.
before today's meeting, I have asked you to watch a short video between James, Fiona, and Sally. Let's recall the video and see how well you understood it. Also, I will use this to take attendance, so listen carefully. The first question. Do you remember what James liked, Bella?
Yes, I do remember what James likes. James likes listening to music on his phone, Miss.
Wow, great. Yes, he said like that. How about the next Cheetah? What does Fiona prefer, listening or playing music?
She prefers playing music, Miss.
Exactly. Yeah, good job, Cheetah. And the next for Pasujono. Pasujono, what about Sally? Does she like eating out or cooking?
She prefers cooking at home.
Yes. And she said, I am a good cook. Nice.
She said,
The next
I am
is
a good cook.
Sandy. What do Fiona and James like doing together, Sandy?
Going to the cinema.
Going to the cinema. Awesome memory. Okay, the last is Putri. What kind of music experience does Sally like the most?
Live music.
Live music. Yeah, she said, I prefer going to concert. I like live music. Okay, you all did great. Yeah, today we are going to start our Speaking One Basic class with an interesting topic. It is talking about likes and dislikes. I'm sure this topic will be fun because we all have different preferences, right? But before we begin, let me share with you the learning goals for today's lesson. So, by the end of this class, you are expected to express likes and dislikes clearly so you can talk about what you enjoy and what you don't. And the second, use correct grammar and vocabulary. Not just saying I like, but saying it properly and naturally. And the third one is respond to others' preference in conversation, like agreeing, disagreeing, politing, or asking follow-up question. Let's review a bit about how to use likes and dislikes in a conversation. Kita mulai dari yang paling basic dulu ya. Yang pertama adalah kalau kita suka sesuatu, we can say I like. Contohnya, I like learning English. Ya, artinya kita enjoy doing that activity. Nah, kalau kita tidak suka, kita bisa gunakan I dislike or I don't like. Seperti they dislike or they don't like spicy food. Tuh. Nah, untuk kamu yang sangat suka, you can say I love watching televisions. It shows a stronger feeling than just like. Sebaliknya, kalau kamu nggak suka, sangat tidak suka, you can say I hate waiting in long lines. Jadi hate itu lebih kuat dari don't like, ya, lebih strong. Jika ingin membandingkan dua hal, gunakan prefer. Ya, I prefer cat to rabbit. She prefers speaking to writing. Ya, jangan pakai than, gunakan to. And the one more important tips is selalu kasih alasan. Kenapa sih kamu suka atau nggak suka sesuatu? It makes your conversation make interesting and natural. So, don't just say, I like music. So, you have to tell about why, the reason why you don't like it, you like it. Gitu. Now, it is your turn to explore more. We will go into the breakout rooms. Ya, clear for the materials about like and dislike? Clear?
Clear, Miss.
Clear. Hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, to make it clear, I will divide it into two groups. Miss Dian akan bagikan juga Google Docs yang bisa kalian isi like and dislike sesuai dengan preferensi masing-masing ya. I will divide it into two group. The first group is Sujono, Sandi, and Putri, and the second group is Cita, Ayu, and Bella. Okay.
Okay, Miss.
Silakan join.
How about you?
Okay, Bella will be the leader of the
I
second
love
group.
playing
And the first
football
group
because
has already
it gives me
decided
fitness.
is,
I enjoy
is
teamwork.
Sujono,
I
ya.
don't like
Okay, we back
I
to
hate
the
waiting in
group, ya.
traffic
Prepare
because
your presentation
it
after
wastes
this.
my time.
Welcome back, everyone. I hope you had a fun sharing about your preference. And now let's hear from each group. Let's start with the group one. Who wants to present? The leader of the group one?
Sujono, Miss.
Okay, Sujono. Okay, Sujono, you are please.
Okay. Hi, Miss and friends. We are from Group 1, and we'd like to share what we found out about our group members. First, myself, I like reading novels because it helps me relax and escape from stress. But I don't like loud music because it gives me a headache. Then Sandy taught us that he loves playing football because it keeps him fit and he enjoys teamwork. He also said he hates waiting in traffic since it really wastes his time. Next, Putri shared that she likes cooking because she enjoys trying new recipes at home. However, she doesn't like cold weather because it makes her feel lazy and sleepy. That's all from our group. Thank you.
Okay, you are welcome. Giving applause to the first group. Okay, we come to the next group. It's the last group from group 2. Who will be the leader? Bella?
Miss.
Okay, Bella, you are pleased to present your group.
Thank you for letting me here. Okay, hello everyone. I'd like to describe about what my friends like and dislike based on our discussion earlier. So my friend Chita likes studying at night because because it's quieter and she can focus. And then Chita doesn't like group work because sometimes not everyone participates. And then for on the other hand, Ayu loves dancing because it makes her happy and energetic. But she doesn't like spicy food because it will hurt her stomach a lot. So for me, myself, I like watching movies because it's fun and inspiring. And I don't like doing laundry because it's boring and takes too much time. So that's all for our discussion. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Giving applause to this group. Okay, good. Yeah, that was a great presentation. Well done, Group 1 and Group 2. Pak Sujono and Bella, that's exactly how we express likes and dislikes naturally. Yeah. Okay, everyone. Now let's test your understanding with a quick quiz. Yeah, I will give you 5 questions and you just need to choose the correct answer. This quiz, you have to scan the barcode. The next is you have to fill your name. Silakan. Here is the first question. Take your time, but don't overthink it. Go with your first instinct, okay? Okay, I see the answers coming in. Nice job, everyone. Yay, the fastest responder is Bella. Great job, Bella. Coming in the second place is Putri, and the third place is Chita. Well done to all of you. Okay, move to the second question. Here we go. Question number 2 is on the screen. Let's see how much you remember from today's lesson. Okay, everyone has voted. Who will be the fastest in the questions number 2? Yay! Congratulations to Sandy for being the fastest in our quiz today for question number 2. Okay, we move to question number 3. Read it carefully and answer fast. Okay. Wow, the fastest to answer this one is Putri Utami. Great job, Putri. You were super quick. Let's see who will be the next. Now we move on to the question number 4. Focus, everyone. Remember, speed and accuracy matter. Yep. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10. Okay, already done. Who is the fastest this time is Chita. Okay, well done, Chita. That was very fast and correct. Okay, this is the final question. Give it your best shot, everyone. Let's see if anyone can beat Chita this time. Okay, who? Wow, the fastest is Chita again. You are on fire today. So, based on the quiz results, here is our list of the top fastest responders. Yeah, the first is Chita, the second Putri Utami, and the third Sandy, and followed by Bella, Ayu, and Sujono. Congrats to all of you. Whether you are fast or not, what matters is you participated and practice it using English actively. Good job, everyone. Yay, okay, hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Okay, good. How about the quiz? Happy?
Very happy.
Very happy ya, dalam waktu 15 detik menjawab setiap soal. Okay, let's summarizing. Can anyone tell me what we have learned today? Who? Raise your hand. Okay,
Chita Miss.
Hmm?
Today we learned how to express likes and dislikes, give reasons, and use prefer when comparing two things, like I prefer coffee to tea.
Okay, good. Yeah. Thank you for your participations today. Everyone perform well, but remember, practice makes perfect. Yeah, keep speaking, keep improving, and don't be afraid to make mistakes, okay? And next week, we will talk about giving opinions. Please watch the video that I have uploaded on LMS, It by DCC, before our next class. That's will help you understand the topic better. Yeah, I know learning English isn't always easy, but with hard work and continuous practice, you will all succeed. So stay passionate and confident. You are doing amazing. Chita, can you please lead our class yell? Okay. We will have a yell now. We'll lead by Chita as the leader of the class, yeah?
Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1.
We gonna G-O.
Go.
Go.
We gonna English, student.
Go.
English.
Yeah.
Okay, English. Yes. All right, that's it for today. Remember to keep practicing and prepare for the next material. If you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to contact me via our WhatsApp group discussion. Have a great day and I hope you enjoy all your activities. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you. See you.
You.
Demikian deskripsi singkat dan cuplikan proses pembelajaran dari mata kuliah Speaking One Basic yang saya ampu. Semoga dapat memberikan gambaran mengenai kinerja pengajaran yang saya lakukan, khususnya di mata kuliah Speaking One Basic di program studi Bahasa Inggris, Fakultas Ekonomi Bisnis dan Humaniora, Institut Teknologi Bisnis dan Bahasa Dian Cipta Cendekia. Saya mengucapkan terima kasih kepada seluruh tim penilai dan tim panitia sertifikasi Smart Dosen tahun 2025, Lembaga Layanan Pendidikan Tinggi Wilayah 2, Direktorat Sumber Daya Dirjen Diktiristek Kementerian Pendidikan Tinggi, Sains dan Teknologi Republik Indonesia, dan tidak lupa juga saya mengucapkan terima kasih kepada Institut Teknologi Bisnis dan Bahasa Dian Cipta Cendekia, tim manajemen, rekan-rekan dosen, dan mahasiswa. Demikian yang dapat saya sampaikan. Jika ada salah kata, saya mohon maaf. Saya akhiri. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.